Alright, so lesson 98, relationships of numbers. So we want to find the number that is 1/8 of the way from 3.5 to 5 and 1/6. So just for a little visual aid, I'm going to show you a graph of a number line. So we have 3.5 about right here, and 5 and 1/6 about right here. And we want to know what is about 1/8 of the way. So like here's a half, there's a fourth, so there's about 1/8 of a way. We want to know exactly what that is. So first of all, we want to find the difference between these and 1/8 of the way. So we've got 5 and 1/6, so always our bigger number minus our smaller number. And we want 1/8 of that. But then we have to add what we started with. So we're going to actually add our 3.5 to whatever that is to get exactly where we are on the number line. So we've got 3.5 plus 1/8 times little fraction review. So let's make this one improper. So this would be 31/6. And if we make this one improper, it's 7/2, but I want a common denominator. So we're going to multiply by 3/3. So go ahead and subtract. And we get 10/6. And then I'm going to cross cancel here. So 10 and 8 are both divisible by 2, so that'd be 5 and 4. So I have 5 times 1 is 5, and 4 times 6 is 24. And now we want to add 3.5. Let's go ahead and make it improper, so it's 7/2. But then I want to make it out of 24, so we're going to multiply by 12/12. So 7 times 12 is 84. And now we're going to add, and we get 89/24. All right, so let's try another one. Find a number that is 7/10 of the way from 30 to 40. So if we were doing a number line, and let's say this is 30, this is 40, this is 50, this is 20. So we're going from 30 to 40, and I want to go 7/10 of the way. Some of you might be able to do that in your head, okay? But what we're always going to do is the smallest number plus the fraction times the bigger number minus the smaller number, the difference between the two. So now we've got 30 plus 7/10, and 40 minus 30 is 10. So if we put that over 1, these cancel, and we get 30 plus 7, which is 37. So if we were going to write a formula for this, it would be the smaller number plus the fraction times the larger number minus the smaller number every time. All right, now you guys can try. So on your whiteboards, find the number that is 1/5 of the way from 1/8 to 9/11.